Hello students, welcome back to computer class and we are studying file management, lesson number 6, file management. And already in my previous videos I have discussed this introduction of this file management and Windows Explorer. Okay, what is Windows Explorer and how to open Windows Explorer in our system. So that is discussed in my previous videos. Okay, if you have not watched that video, so once you watch this to understand the points. So now in today's point, in today's session, we will discuss creating a folder, how to create a folder in our system. Okay, or in any location, so how folder can be created. Follow the given steps to create a folder on the desktop screen. Okay, so now in this example, in these points, here they are creating a folder on desktop. Okay, so we'll see how to create a folder on desktop. The first point is right click on the blank area of the desktop. You see here. So this is the blank area of the desktop. So in this area, just a right click. So when you right click, you will get one menu. So this menu is called as shortcut menu or context menu. Okay, so this is the shortcut menu or context menu. We get it when we right click by using our mouse. Okay. So place the pointer on the new option. A list of sub options appears. So when we right click, your list of options are displaying. So now place your mouse pointer to the new option. So when you take your mouse pointer to this new option, again you get a sub menu. Okay, so this is the sub menu. We get it when we take our mouse pointer to this new option. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop with its default name highlighted. Okay, so now, so in this new option, select the folder option. Okay, so from the shortcut menu, select the folder option. So then you will get a folder icon on the desktop with its default name. Default name is a new folder. So with that name, folder icon will be displayed. Okay, right click, select new option, then click on folder option. Okay, you can see here folder icon with its name. Default name is new folder. It is displaying. So now next point is type a new name for the folder at the cursor position and press the enter key. Okay, now here, so this is displaying with its name. So now type a new name. For example, I'll type the standard. Then after typing, press enter key on your keyboard. Yeah, folder gets created. Okay, so folder gets created by typing the new name. Okay. A new folder is created. Okay, see here once again. Now we'll see how to create a folder. So right click on an empty area for desktop. It is not only on empty area for desktop, you can create a folder on any location. Okay, but method is same. So there also you have to right click and you have to select a new option. So in a new option, you will get a sub menu. In this sub menu, select a folder. So in a folder, you type this. Okay, so name for this folder, I am going to type Apple phone. Okay, Apple phone. Then after typing, press enter key. Here folder gets created. Okay, so this is the way to create a folder. And if you want to open this folder, so just double click on this folder. That folder gets open. You can see here name of that folder. And in this, if you want to create a folder in this location, if you want to create a folder, then again you can right click and select new option. Then go to folder option. Then you type yeah, Samsung phone. So like this, we can create a folder inside a folder. So this folder is called as subfolder. Just right click and select new option, then go to folder option, then type name for your folder. So this is by using the right shortcut menu. If you want to create a folder in this area, you can use this new folder button also. Just click on that option, you will get a folder icon. Then you just type a name for that folder. So that folder gets created. Just click on that folder icon, then type a name. Okay, movies. So like this, folders can be created, and in that folder you can save your files. Okay, so you can save your files after creating. You can also create a folder inside a drive or any other folder by using Windows Explorer. Okay, so here we can create a folder inside a drive. Okay, so how to create a folder by using the Windows Explorer? Okay, we'll see now. Okay, see. First, open Windows Explorer. by clicking on the Start, All Programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer, or double click on the computer icon on the desktop. Okay, so just open Windows Explorer, go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and Windows Explorer. Here Windows Explorer application got opened. So next, select a drive, say D, from the left pane and click on the new folder button present on the toolbar. A new folder will be created. See, so now just select the location D drive, and here in the toolbar new folder option is given. Just click on new folder. You will get a new folder icon with a default name. Then type a name for your folder, like for example I type games. Okay. Then press enter key. Your folder gets created in that location. Okay. So this is a way to create a folder by using Windows Explorer. Okay. See now. So let me go to that Windows Explorer. So first choose a location here. Okay. Okay. So choose a location where you want to create a folder. Then just use this button, new folder button. You will get the folder icon. Then you type a name for that folder. So folder will be created. So this is a way to create a folder in our system. Okay, so in the next class we'll see how to create a file and how to save that file in that folders. Okay, we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you for watching.